Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your DNS server address on your Windows XP computer. So, in most cases, in 2022, you should not be connecting Windows XP to the internet, but, for whatever reason, if you're in a virtual environment perhaps, and you just want to go ahead and connect it to a different DNS server, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, select the Run button, type in ncpa.cpl, again ncpa.cpl, select OK, and now right-click on your internet connection or local area connection perhaps, right-click on it, and select Properties. Go down to the Internet Protocol, TCP/IP, and either double-click on it or select Properties where it says use the following DNS server address, select that option, and then you would insert the preferred DNS server up here, and the alternate would be the second one. So for example, if I did the Google DNS server, you would just type in an 8, and then you would click inside the second field in here, so 8.8.8.8. Second alternative DNS server would be 8.8.4.4, for example, and then you would select OK for just that particular case. And that's all you have to do. And if you ever wanted to just go back to using automatic settings, you can just go back in here and select Obtain DNS Server Address automatically, and you would select OK. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.